Hi, this is Two Wandering Persians. I'm Farbs, the cat on the right.
سلام، منم تینام. اون گربه سمت چپیه.
This video is the first video in our series about Vesak in Sri Lanka, so make sure to watch all of them. In Sri Lanka, the biggest festival is called Vesak. Vesak is a lot of things. Vesak is the new year. Vesak is the month in which Buddha was born, reached enlightenment, and passed away, and much more. So today, Tina and I are going out to see how Vesak is celebrated and observed here in southern Sri Lanka.
Hello.
So basically, Vesak is a lunar month in the Buddhist calendar, and it's also the full moon day of May. Oh, we also saw many young people rocking these sort of masks. I don't know what's the deal with them. And I never asked, honestly. A cultural point. Full moon is a big thing. So everything happens on full moon. So we're going to this temple near our house. The name is Yatagala. And we're just going inside to see what's happening. Another big thing here in Sri Lanka is the temples. So of course people are going to temples on Vesak, which spans a whole week. And today is the first day of Vesak, so yeah, it's a very big thing. Vesak usually lasts about a week. A lot of things happen, but mostly temples and food. Food is also really big here in Sri Lanka. So whatever happens, people are either giving out food or lining up for receiving food. We will have more in other videos. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications about our other videos. And I promise there will be a video about food, about how people love food here. Oh, during Vesak, which could span from 3 to 7 days, no alcoholic beverages and fresh meat is sold. Unlike in Abrahamic religions where the places of worship, namely cathedrals, synagogues, and mosques, have a designated spot, a designated place for actually performing the prayer, like in altars, in mihrabs, or whatever the equivalent is in synagogues, in temples, or at least in the temples that I have seen, there are several locations, buildings for performing different rituals, prayers, worships, and that's very interesting.